Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm going to talk about another aspect of exponential equation that comes a lot in additional mathematics. So basically I'm going right into it today and I'm going to solve it for you to see something else. You are going to learn a little bit or add something extra, which is additional quadratic equation, and then I hope you know how to solve it. If not, I'm going to use the calculator here. Yes, I'm going to use the calculator and then solve it for you to know how it goes. Okay, so this is a past question, additional math, IGCSE 2012 paper 1 question 2. So you can actually download the paper and then go through it. Okay, the more you practice the better, and you can do whatever you want to do if you put the hard work into it. Okay, so let's start. So using the substitution u is equal to 2 raised to the power of x, find the value of x such that 2 raised to the power of 2x plus 2 is equal to 5 into bracket 2x minus 1. So 2 raised to the power of x, minus 1. So how do you solve it? You need to make that substitution. Okay, so in order for you to apply it, you need to break this term out, because this is quite straightforward, but this has a problem. So let me go to my solution. Okay, so how do I break this thing down? I'm going back to my formula. So as soon as I see plus, then I need to break it this way. So this is what I'm going to use here. So I'll write 2x plus 2, it is equal to 2x times 2 squared. So then I'm having 2x, yep, I need to write it this way for me to see, times 4. So at the end of the day, I have 4 with the substitution u squared. So I just change this and my life become easier. Okay, so let's continue. So right now I can rewrite the equation as 4u squared, okay, it is equal to 5u minus 1. So this is what I'm supposed to do now at this point. Okay, so that's the equation, that's what I'm actually solving, which is a quadratic. Is a quadratic. You can see that the highest power of the variable here is 2. So what you have to do is you need to write it this way when it is a quadratic. So 4u squared minus 5u, okay, plus 1 is equal to 0. So this is how it's supposed to look. And then to solve it, you can use the almighty formula, which I hope you know, but I'm going to talk about it in my next video. Or come to your calculator, which I really don't advise if you don't know the almighty formula, but for the sake of this video, let's use it. So you go to mode, we are talking about equation right now. So you go to 5, and then you can see that you have different type, but then what we want, look at this, we have a squared here, so this is what we want, the number 3. Okay, so you go to 3. Okay, so your a, b, and c represent the what coefficients attached to your variable. So here you have 4, so you click 4, then you enter, you click -5, okay, and you enter, and you click 1, okay, and you enter, and then you get your answer as x equal to 1 and x is 1/4. So we are dealing with u, so here you have to write u is equal to 1, or if you want, u is equal to 1/4. But don't forget, you are solving for x, so you have not ended yet. Okay, so then you know that u was equal to 2 raised to the power of x, so you come back and you write 2x is equal to 1, or 2x is equal to what, 1/4. And if you remember my past videos, okay, how to solve this, in case you have an issue, go back and you understand. So I need to make this, I need to change the base. So then I'll write 2x is equal to 2 raised to the power of 0. Any number raised to the power of 0 is 1. I'm choosing 2 so that it will make some sense. Or 2x is equal to 1/2 squared, and you know any number of this form, okay, is the same thing as a negative n. Yes, it's a formula, so you need to learn that. So then you write 2x is equal to 2 - 2, then you write x is equal to -2, the top, you equate the top, and you come back here, you write x is equal to 0. Okay, so the answer actually to this question, so you write x is equal to 0 or x is equal to -2. So I hope you have understood what I've taught today. Okay, and then I'm going to post more videos. I'm going to do my best and post as much as possible. In case you have any problem, you write drop a comment below and ask me what you don't understand. I'll go over it, or solve a question you're having issue with. Okay, have a good day.